How are you? Today you will read exercise 10.2 number 1 question. Compute the magnitude of the following vectors. First of all, we know about magnitude of any vector. If a vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, then magnitude of a is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. Example, a vector is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Then magnitude of a vector is equal to under root 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square is equal to under root 4 plus 9 plus 1 is equal to 14. Here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1. Then magnitude of a vector is equal to x square plus y square plus z square is equal to under root 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to under root 3. Here x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 7, z is equal to minus 3. Then magnitude of b vector is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square equal to under root 2 square plus minus 7 square plus minus 3 square is equal to under root 4 plus 49 plus 9 is equal to under root 62. Here x is equal to 1 by root 3, y is equal to 1 by root 3, z is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Magnitude of c vector is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 by root 3 square plus 1 by root 3 square plus minus 1 by root 3 square is equal to under root 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to under root 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to under root 3 by 3 is equal to under root 1 is equal to 1. This is our answers. Next question 2. Write two different vectors having same magnitude. Let a vector is equal to I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap and b vector is equal to 3i cap plus j cap plus k cap. Magnitude of a vector is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square plus 3 square is equal to under root 1 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to under root 11. Magnitude of b is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square is equal to under root 3 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 9 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to under root 11. We see here both vector A and B are different vectors, and both vector A and B have same magnitude. This is our answer. Next question, we see number 3. Write two different vectors having same direction. Let A vector is equal to I cap and B vector is equal to 5 I cap. Here A vector and B vector are different vectors. A and B have same direction because A and B are present on x axis. This is our answer, because we see A vector is equal to I cap and B vector is equal to 5 I cap. Here A vector and B vector are different vectors. A vector and B vector have same direction because A vector and B vector are present on x axis. So given here A vector and B vector in same direction on x direction. This is our answer. Question 4. Find the value of x and y so that the vectors 2i cap plus 3j cap and xi cap plus yj cap are equal. We can write 2i plus 3j cap is equal to xi cap plus yj cap, imply that 2i plus 3j minus xi minus yj cap is equal to 0. Two I minus xi cap plus 3j cap minus yj cap is equal to 0. 2 minus x into I cap plus 3 minus y into j cap is equal to 0. It is equal to 0 when 2 minus x is equal to 0 and 3 minus y is equal to 0. 2 is equal to 0 plus x. So x is equal to 2. 3 is equal to 0 plus y. So y is equal to 3. This is our answer. Question 5. Before solving this question, we know about a first terminal are given initial point, terminal point. Then also here is A and here B. Then AB vector is equal to x2 minus x1 into I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap. For the example, 2 4 7 5 A B. AB vector is equal to x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap is equal to 7 minus 2 I cap plus 5 minus 4 j cap is equal to 5 I cap plus j cap. In the given question, find the scalar and vector components of the vector with initial point 2 1 and terminal point minus 5 7. 2 1 initial point minus 5 7 terminal point A B. You can name as A and B. A is initial point, B is terminal point. Then AB vector is equal to x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap is equal to here x1 y1 x2 y2 minus 5 minus 2 I cap plus 7 minus 1 j cap is equal to minus 7 I cap plus 6 j cap. Find the scalar and vector components. A scalar component is equal to minus 7 6 minus 7 6. Vector components is equal to minus 7 I cap 6 j cap. Here also you can write a scalar component is equal to 5 1. Vector components is equal to 5 I cap j cap. This is our answer. Question 6 number. Find the sum of the vectors. A vector is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. B vector is equal to minus 2I cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap, and C vector is equal to I cap minus 6j cap minus 7k cap. Sum A is equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap plus minus 2I cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap plus I cap minus 6j cap minus 7k cap. I cap minus 2I cap plus I cap minus 2j cap plus 4j cap minus 6j cap plus k cap plus 5k cap minus 7k cap. I cap plus I cap, 2I cap minus 2I cap, cancel. Minus 2j cap minus 6j cap plus 4j cap is equal to minus 4j cap. K cap plus 5k cap is equal to 6k cap minus 7k cap is equal to minus k cap. This is our answer. Thanks for watching this video.